If you want to download and install the Claude AI desktop app on your PC or laptop, here is the fastest way to do it. Welcome to Rich Beat Guides. Let's get straight into it. Open your preferred web browser and head over to claude.ai. You don't need to log in just yet. Simply scroll all the way to the bottom of the page and click on Download Desktop App. The download will begin automatically in the top right corner. Once it finishes, open your File Explorer and head into your Downloads folder. Find the Claude Setup exe file and double-click to run it. The installer will immediately set up the application on your computer. Within a few seconds, the Claude desktop app will launch automatically. Click Get Started on the welcome screen. From here, you can sign in using your email or select Continue with Google for a faster login. Once authenticated, your account is fully synced and ready to use right from your desktop. If this quick fix saved you some time, smash that like button and subscribe to Rich B Guides so you always have a tech toolkit right in your feed. See you in the next one.